Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Would you like to decorate your garden with a ceramic dish bird bath which is made by Ochla for the utmost quality? Are you looking for yard garden decorations so that birds will be attracted to it? We have a bird bath for you. We would like you to know about the Yellow Roses Bowl and Stake Handcrafted Ceramic Bird Baths. Now you can bring some bright and fun colors to your yard with this bird bath. The yellow bowl really makes the red roses pop off, and you can be sure it is not only attracting many beautiful birds but people as well. This item has plenty of room for birds to drink and bathe, while the ceramic bird bath easily mounts on the wrought iron stand, which is 37 inches tall. This is ideal for the garden, lawn, patio, or yard. Here are its technical details. Dimensions are 16.75 by 16.5 by 4.75. Weight is 10 pounds. This bird bath is handcrafted to perfection so that you will be given the perfect finish, and the stake is made from wrought iron. Grab the Yellow Roses Bowl and Stake handcrafted ceramic bird baths today at a very affordable price, and see to it that anyone who will pass at your garden will be amazed. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.